Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson on civil engineering basic on the topic concrete mix part 2. In previous video we learned about different grades and its ratios for different grades in previous video. Now today we will learn more detailed and practical information about the ratios or the grades. That is we have learned that M20. Here M means mix and 20 means its compressive strength at after 28 days. 28 days of curing. That is 20 means 20 Newton per mm square or 20 megapascal MPa. 1 Newton per mm square is equal to 1 MPa. And the ratios are expressed in terms of volume or weight. That is in terms of weight 1 kg, 1.5 kg, 3 kg. That is in field we use 1 kg of cement, then 1.5 kg, 1.5 part of kg of sand and 3 kg of aggregate. And in terms of volume meter we express in terms of meter cube. Then M20 is used in column, beam, foundation, lintel, slab. In this construction area we use M20 and it is more important grade for concrete mixing while working in the field. And we have different curing period, that is for 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and for different period we have different percentage of compressive strength. After 1 day of fresh concrete curing, we get 16% of compressive strength. For in 3 days, we get 47, 65, 14, 90, and 28 days we get 99%. Which means that, look from this calculator, which means for 1 day we have 16. Have 16 divided by 100 into. Now we calculate for M20. Which we need, we should multiply that. For 1 M20 we multiply with 20, for M10 we multiply by 10. Then after we multiply we get what? 3.2. It means after 1 day of curing we get 3.2 Newton per mm square of compressive strength. Likewise in 14 days we have 90%. Then in 14 days we get 18% of 18 Newton per mm square of compressive strength. This is calculated by testing, like cube test is done, and we get this information practically. Now we have different motor. We also have different motor ratio. That is motor ratio is sand and cement and sand. Not we don't use aggregate. Motor it is mostly used in brickwork to mend bond between brick and different bricks, to join different bricks. That is 1:4 ratio is used in 4 inch of wall, 1:5 9 inch of wall. While increasing the thickness, the ratio also increasing. For greater than 9 inch of wall we use 1:6 ratio. This is 1 means cement and 4 means it is sand. And now this basic information we get in part 2 about concrete mix now, and that's it for today's lesson on concrete mix. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in next one with further more detail.